Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will. In this video, I am going to explain you how to find out the current survey number in which you are presently located. So I hope this is most useful for the surveyors. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So before that, whenever we go to any field, first of all we have to find out that what is the current survey number in which we are presently located. So for that, for finding the survey number, there is somewhat little bit difficult to find out the current survey number. So in this video, I am going to explain you the majorly two websites. So with the help of those two websites, we can able to make sure that what is the current survey number in which we are presently located. Let me show you what are those websites. I hope everybody know about these websites, but some people who doesn't know about it, for them I am making this video. The first website is go to Me Bhoomi. So type Me Bhoomi. So in the Me Bhoomi, here there is an option that is geo reference. So click on that geo reference. Here there is a link to option. So click on that link to option. You can directly land on the page. So this is a link I have given in the description. So you can click on that link, you can directly land on this page. So this is how the interface of this website. So here we can see one circle, that is the my location, means current location. So after opening this website, just click on this my location. It shows our current location. So this blue circle is nothing but our current location. When you click on this plus button, it zooms us. So it takes some time for buffering. So after again zoom it. So here we can see that these are the survey numbers. Here we can see that 514, 513, these are the survey numbers, and we are presently located in the 514 survey numbers. And remember that this is not exactly show you that you are presently located in which place, but it gives us the reference. For this reference, we can make sure that what is the present survey number. So it helps us for reference purpose. And there is a one option here. So here there is a base map gallery. Go to that base map gallery, and here there is an option for making this as a satellite. So click on the imaginary. So by that we can able to see the whole map as the satellite. So this is the one website. With the help of this, we can able to find out the current survey number. It is not exactly show you, but it gives us the reference. So this website can be used by, so this website can able to access in every district, but the second website which I am going to show you, this can be accessed by only some districts. Let me show you other website. So this is the link of this website which I have given in the description. So click on that link, you can directly land on this page. Let me show you other website. So just paste the link which I have given in the description. This is the aquaculture website, and click on enter. So here we can see the interface of this website looks like, and here in the statistics we can see that for the Anantapur district there is a 0, and Chittoor district 0, Kadapa, Kurnool, some data is 0. It means that those districts are unable to use this website because the data is not uploaded yet for those districts. And for other districts like Krishna, Nellore, Prakasham, for those districts only the data is uploaded. So here we can see the option that is GPS, means your current location. When you click on the GPS, so it takes to your current location. So now actually our current location is Anantapur district. When I click on GPS, it shows our current location, but here we are unable to see any survey numbers. Why? Because this website is unable to access in the Anantapur district. It doesn't show any survey numbers. Whereas, just zoom out. So let me zoom in Guntur district. So wait for few minutes. So here we are getting the survey numbers. So in this website, for some districts only we can able to see the survey numbers. For some other districts like Anantapur, Chittoor, Kadapa and Kurnool, we are unable to see the survey numbers. So in this website there is a one option, that is the polygon option. So here we can see the polygon option. Click on that option. So it is very useful, and this option is not available in the MeBhoomi websites. So this option is available only in this website. So with the help of this we can able to find out the area. So suppose this is the 84 survey number. So imagine that here there is a one subdivision. So from here to here we can able to find out this area in our mobile. So click on here point and onto this point and close the polygon. So click on the first point. So click on this polygon, we can able to see a window. In that window the area is 16747.24 square meters. So by this we can able to see, we can able to draw a polygon, and we can extract the area with the help of this website. And this website is only can access for some limited districts, but whereas in MeBhoomi website can able to access every district. So this is how we can able to find out the current survey number. So make sure that we have to click on GPS, then only it shows our current location. So this is how we can able to find out the current survey number with the help of these two websites, but it is not exact, but it gives us a reference. So I hope you like this video, and please share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification. Be safe, be happy. Thanks for watching. Love you all.